Hi dear friends, welcome to the channel AKY Biotech. So as you know, all the competitive examinations for the NET are fast approaching. So in the previous video we have discussed near about 50 questions related which are being asked in many of the examinations like ICAR NET, CSIR NET and DBT JRF as well. So today again we are here with the 50 questions and we are going to discuss some of the important questions. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. Hi dear friends. So here we are again with the new 50 questions. As already mentioned in the previous video, we have discussed near about the 50 questions. So today again we will discussing the next 50 questions. So which are commonly asked in the ICAR NET examination. So coming up with the questions. This is number 1, that is, which of the following Vir proteins functions as activator of Vir operons? So the correct option out of this is activator. This Vir G, it functions as an activator. Then question number 52. The intermediate vector of Ti plasmid co-integrate vector system does not have which of the following? So you have to pick up the option which is not included in this. That is so the correct one is this tDNA borders. Rest this Ti plasmid, it co-integrates vector system. It has all this, that is the tDNA sequence, E. coli plasmid sequence, origin of replication for E. coli, and so it does not have the tDNA borders. Next, which of the following proteins is active against Diptera? So the correct option is this one, that is C, Cry4. Which of the following proteins is active against nematodes? So all these questions related to the Cry proteins, these are very important questions, have been asked many times in the examination. So the correct option is against nematodes, that is Cry6. Number 55. Which of the following approaches for virus resistance has been most successful? So the virus resistance, out of these 4 options, the most successful one is the coat protein gene. Which of the following can be used to suppress the expression of endogenous genes? So the correct option is number 1, that is co-suppression. This one is the correct. Then antisense RNA, again a correct one, and RNAi. This is again a correct option. So the correct one is D, all of the above. Laurickel variety of Brassica napus has which of the following transgenes? So the correct one is, out of this 4 options, it's Lauryl ACP thioesterase. This one is the correct one. Number 58. Golden rice grains mainly accumulate which of the following? So it accumulates, that is the beta carotene. Number 59. Phytate is used for phosphate storage in seeds, and it interferes with the absorption of which of the following in human intestine? So the correct option is, that is iron. Number 60, related to this flavors saver tomato. So this one is a very important question. In case of flavor saver tomato, the expression of which of the following has been suppressed? The correct one is, that is, this is suppressed, that is polyglacturonase gene, this has been suppressed. Then 61. In case of Barney's-Bar star male sterility system, phosphoenothricin resistance gene BAR is used to achieve which of the following? Again an very important question. So this is for eliminating male fertile plants. This is the correct one, the D part. Number 62. Which of the following research reagents is being produced from transgenic plants on commercial scale? So the correct one is, that is avidin and beta glucuronidase. So the correct option is C, that is both A and B. Number 63. Which of the following would reduce transgene silencing? So the correct option is single copy integration in genome. This one is correct. Transgene AT composition similar to host genome, again a correct one. And each transgene having a different promoter and polyadenylation signal, again a correct one. So all these three options are correct and the correct one is all of the above. Number 64. The slow growth cultures of tropical plants would suffer cold damage at which temperatures? The correct option out of this is at 4 degrees Celsius. This one is correct. B part is also correct, that is 8 degrees Celsius. So both A and B, that is 4 degrees Celsius and at 8 degrees Celsius, the slow growth cultures of tropical plants, they will suffer cold damage. Then 65. A somatic hybrid plant may have chloroplast from which of the following? So in this case the chloroplast is from both the parents. First fusion parents, second fusion parents. So the correct one is any of the above. So any out of these can be correct. Somatic hybridization has been the most successful in which of the following? So it is most successful with this family, that is the Solanaceae family. Number 67. Pusa Jai Kisan, variety of Brassica ginacea is which of the following? This is a Soma clonal variant. Again an important question, repeated many of the times in the examination. So 68. Haploid plants can be obtained by which of the following? They can be obtained by anther culture. This one is correct. Then ovary culture, again a correct one. Interspecific hybridization, this is also correct. So all three are correct and this one option is correct, that is all of the above. Number 69. Haploid plants through anther culture were first produced in which of the following? They were first produced in this case, that is the Datura. In which of the following heat shock induces androgenesis? So the correct option is, that is Brassica species. Number 71. Androgenesis in which of the following would yield a dihaploid? So the correct option is this one. In case of potato, this one is a correct option, and also this is the correct option, that is tobacco. So D part is correct, that is both B and C. Question number 72. In which of the following crops somatic hybridization has yielded a commercial variety? So it has led to a commercial variety. In this case, that is A part, that is tobacco. Then moving to the next question, number 73. Which of the following contains nuclear genome from a single fusion parent? So nuclear genome from a single fusion parent. This will result in hybrids. 74. Hybrid sorting has relevance to which of the following? So it has relevance to haploid production. Number 75. Somatic embryo maturation is promoted by which of the following? This is by ABA. This one is the correct option. Number 76. Which of the following promotes somatic embryo conversion? So this is in case of, this is promoted, that is the somatic embryo conversion. This is promoted by GA3. This one is the correct option. Question number 77. Which of the following is least reliable strategy for virus indexing? So out of these options, the least reliable strategy is, that is C part, visible disease symptoms. This one is correct. Question number 78. Negative cell selection allows which type of cells to divide? It allows wild type cells to divide. This is the correct option. Number 79. Soma clonal variations due to epigenetic changes are generally not transmitted through which of the following? They are not transmitted by, that is Soma clonal variation. This one is correct, that is meiotic cell division. They are not transmitted through this, and also through plantlet regeneration. So the correct one is D. Number 80. Disease resistant plants can be developed by cell selection using which of the following as selection agents? So it can be by this, that is number A, specific toxins. By using this as a selection agent, disease resistant plants can be developed by cell selection. Number 81. Embryo culture is routinely used for propagation of which of the following? This is used in case of orchids. Then number 82. Tissue culture raised plantlets require hardening due to which of the following? They require hardening due to poor cuticle development. This is correct. Poor vascular bundle development. This is also correct. And improper somatal function. This is also correct. So all three are correct, that is all of the above. Number 83. Hardening of tissue culture raised plantlet can be achieved by which of the following? This is by modified culture condition, correct one. Then chemical additive in medium, again a correct one. And bacterialization. This is also correct. So all of the above are the correct options. Number 84. Selection for hybrid cells based on which of the following is the most widely applicable? So selection of hybrid cells based on which of the following is applicable, most widely accepted, that is in case of, the correct one is, that is transgenic selectable markers. This is one is the correct option. Number 85. Which of the following serves as chiroprotectant? So out of this, the correct option is DMSO, again a correct one. Proline, correct. Glycerol, correct. So all of the above, all three are considered as chiroprotectants. Number 86. Plant vitrification solutions are used for which of the following? This is used for cryopreservation. Number 87. In case of pollen culture, which of the following is most responsive stage of pollen development? The most responsive stage is around first mitosis. Question number 88. Unfertilized ovules are cultured for which of the following? They are cultured for gynogenesis and in vitro pollination. So C1 is correct, that is both A and B. Number 89. In which of the following GA3 promotes shoot regeneration? So this is in case of Arabidopsis. This one is the correct option. Question number 19. In vitro regeneration potential is affected by which of the following? So this is affected by oligogenes, correct option, by polygenes as well as by plasma genes. So D part is the correct, that is all three, they affect in vitro regeneration potential. Number 91. Which of the following is most commonly used for root regeneration? So the correct one is, that is IBA, indole butyric acid. Which of the following is strongest auxin? Out of this option, which one is the strongest one? That is 2,4-D. This is the correct option. Question number 93. Which of the following cytokinins is most commonly used in micropropagation? So the correct option is BAP. This one is the correct one. Question number 94. Which of the following solubilizes phosphate? So this is by Thiobacillus species as well as by Glomus species. So C part is the correct one. Question number 95. Bacillus papillae is used for biocontrol of which of the following? So this is used for biocontrol of mosquitoes. Number 96. Trichoderma viridae is used for control of which of the following? So this is used in case for control of the fungal pathogens, trichoderma. Question number 97. Which of the following enzymes is produced in the largest quantity? That is, the correct option is this alpha amylase. In production of glucose syrup, alpha amylase brings about which of the following? It brings liquefaction. This one is correct. Moving to the next question, that is number 99. Affinity biosensors are based on which of the following? So it is based on antibody as well as nucleic acid. So either B or C, this is the correct one. Coming to the last question, in cheese production, rennet leads to curd formation by digesting which of the following? So this is by C part is the correct one, that is by capsaicin.